Well, today's going to be a short video. I had a viewer write in and ask me how to take this front grill out of the bike without removing all the plastics. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. There's two screws on the bottom you have to take out. And there's two screws right up from those screws. Take those out. So that's 2, 4. That's 5. One straight across from it is 6. Screws don't want to pop out. There they go. And then right up here at the top, there's 2 more. Put one on the far side and one on this side. Then after you get those 8 screws out, then you've got 2 8mm bolts need to take out. There's one. And there's 2. It has these washers that have a collar on them. You can take those out so you don't lose them too. Now you have all the screws out of this front panel you need to take out. Then there's a screw down here at the bottom on this big panel, right over here by your brake pedal. You need to take that one out, and I'll show you why in a second. Take that one out, set it aside. Now, this grill is ready to come out. All you have to do to get it out now, see, it won't pull out. And the reason is there's a couple of plastic pop pins in the side, somewhere in this area right here. So you hold the grill and you pull this way and it pops it out. And then you take it and you pull it out a little bit and put it back to you. And then the whole thing just slides out, just like that. There's nothing to it. And see, there's the grommet there on that side for the pop pin. And there's one on the other side as well. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. But here's the pop pin right here. And there's another one right here. So in order to put it back in, my brake hose is kind of in the way because it's a little bit longer. You won't have as much issue putting yours back in. But you just line your pop pin up with your... First you put it into where it's supposed to be. Line your pop pin up, pop it in, and pop this side in. Just like so. Now you're ready to start putting the screws back in it, and you're done. It's a real easy thing to do. Whether you want to take it off just to get to the exhaust, or if there's anything else you want to get it in there for, you can take this off without taking all these other panels off by doing it just like this. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.